you're going to be seeing my face every day here for 30 days. So yes, if you see me on day one, please do also click on that subscribe button. Day two, day three, day four, whenever you see me to the last day or beyond that or after that, please do also click on that subscribe button. Please support your girlie to pull through this. And don't forget to click on that like button. Yes. So this is going to be a 30 days challenge of posting my daily activity. Mhm. At this point, I don't know the niche of this channel, but I believe I am the niche. Yeah, I am the content. It is all about me. It is my diary. It's my life in film. So I'm going to be showing you cooking videos, hair videos, daily activities, mom tips, pro tips, whatever. And we're going to be discussing trending topics. So get ready to get sick of me. Yes, I've been MIA for a while, but best believe I am back and I am back and I'm in your face. Yes, if you can't get rid of, you know that saying that if you can't beat them, you join them. This is about to be that place, yes, because I'm going to be stubborn like that. You can't beat me, so you're going to join me. You're going to click on that subscribe button. You're going to start loving my videos and you're going to start liking my vibe. It's going to be by fire, by force. So yeah, so welcome back, and today we're making meat pie. Have you ever, you've been craving for meat pie and like, oh, I don't have the baking equipment, I don't have this, I don't have that, to bake with? Stay tuned. Today we're going to be doing freestyle meat pie. Yeah, no measurements, just eyeballing it to your ancestors say that it's okay. And guess what? It came out nice. That's to say that sometimes the unplanned things, they things that don't come with measurements and time frames and I turn out nice. Yeah, sometimes they do turn out nice. So today was one of those days I was craving for it. I didn't have energy to start looking for measurements, measure this and do that. So I decided to eyeball it. I decided to make it till the spirit says it is all right. And guess what? It was perfect. So yes, this is your sign to join me on this challenge on whatever way. Maybe it could be on a project you're working on, a business you want to grow and want to be consistent in your posting, on weight loss, motherhood, in your career, whatever means that you just want to be consistent for some days and you want to see the result. Come and join me on this channel. So yes, you can drop it in the comment section that you're in with me on this channel. Yeah, because at this point, just notify that you're with me on this challenge, because at this point I'm tired of procrastinating. I'm tired of what ifs. You never know what God has in store for you in future unless you try, unless you persevere, and unless you keep pushing. Yes, so we have to keep pushing over here. I just want you to know that this place is all about being resilient. It's all about having coconut head for our dreams and aspiration. Yeah, we get tired, we rest, because for example, I've not been here for like a while. Life has been lifing, things happening behind the scene that you will still get to see. Yeah, the good, the bad, the ugly. That's part of life. So yes, but I just want to know that after that, you come back like a what? Like a heat. Oh. You come back like a storm. You come back in grand style, like, say what? I'm back. You guys cannot get rid of me. Like, as an actor, one film, I go. So just have that positive mindset that you are the actor. But have you like when we're growing up, when you watch foreign movies, like, and then they have this last scene of the actor and the boss, that's what we'll call it. So that's more like the protagonist and the antagonist. That should be the word, right? Beef when the script writers, when they will be doing their last fights, especially for action movies, like actor, in that actor, the main person, we see it as, oh, the person gets to be beaten, almost this essence that we feel like, oh, they're going to die, and then they come back and rise up and then kill, the person, and then they come out victorious, that kind of thing. So if actors should die in a movie, that means there's no movie. I am the movie. I am the storyline. So nothing is happening without me. So when you're done, you're tired, you're done resting, you're done recovering with whatever you're dealing with, come back like a hito. Come back hot. Come back like it never left. Like, let them wonder, like, gosh, can't we pull me down for over here? I don't get you. So I'm back to your faces. I am back. You see this YouTube channel? We're going to grow a community here. Best believe. Mark this video. Pin it, whatever you want to do. In years to come, we are already there. We're on our way there. So if you're like mind, You love where you're going to be gingered and you're going to be pushed, you know. You love to see people that we're humans. Sometimes we don't have it all our ways, but we still come back stronger and better. Click on that subscribe button, like this video, and share it. And as you can see, look at the face of that my meat pie filling. Come on, this looks so good. And then pro tip to thicken it, you can use cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, come let me whisper to you. Just use your plain all-purpose flour, mix it with water, warm water, cold water, mix it all together and pour it in there. Then reduce the heat so that this does not burn or start sticking to the pan. And then reduce the heat and allow it to cook. So it has that, it makes it to come together, like to form together, to have that meshy consistency that you will need for your meat pie filling. That is the tip. Don't say I did not do anything for you. You get it? You get it? Don't say I did not do anything. So welcome. This is day one. So let's see how far we're going to go. I'm so excited and I hope you are. And I hope you are. And yes, before I go, yeah, just still stay tuned and watch to the end because there's a whole lot. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, this cutter, you can use a bottle of wine, a bottle of a beverage drink. You can use a flat water bottle to roll it out as your rolling pin. You see the improvise there, so you don't have to worry like, oh, I don't have a rolling pin, I don't have the chopping board. What happened to your countertop? Wipe it, sissy, clean it off. You see the butter container? Yeah, we used it. You have a round bowl, right, for a circle shape this thing. You're going to see how that one works out. So you see everything around you can be used, it can be improvised, and you will still get the same exact results. You see? You get the same exact results, or sometimes even better. And sometimes like nobody's gonna know. And even if they know, and so what? Do we care? We don't give a hoot. So yes, that is it. So you're going to be seeing different methods where you can just improvise and make your meat pie at home and enjoy it. Yes. So you don't have to break the bank as long as you have your ingredients, every other thing to do it. You will find it in your kitchen. No worry. See that round plate? That's it. You see your glass plate? You can still use it. Do you understand? Have you seen me bring out any, oh, this is my meat pie cutter, aesthetic, blah, blah, blah. No, you don't have it. Don't bother yourself. And this is coming out in different shapes and in different vibes. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy all these whole goodies and see you see the tips I'm giving you. Aquanum Sabi girl. I'm trying, no. I am trying. I'm trying for you. Yeah. So yes, let me allow you and leave you to continue and watch, and enjoy. And don't go anywhere. It's not if I stop talking now, you will now go. Just that will I now want to go. Is it how you are? No now. Relax, chill. So you see the full thing. Have you seen this other method again? It's just for you to be watching. So these are different ways you can just put your feeling and call it a day. You don't have to do too much. Yeah, you don't have, and if you're starting a business, you can still start it this way. You don't have to start looking for, oh, I want to start looking for the best equipment for my meat pie and the rest. Yes, start it and then in between the way you start building on the packaging and the presentation, where you have to start something for you to now want to rebrand it and improve on the brand and or whatnot. So yes, don't say not do anything for you because yes, we're all pushing each other. Let me be that your motivation girly. So drop it in the comment section. We're doing this together. So see you on my next one. We're not yet done. Wait, chill, relax, stay tuned, keep eating that popcorn and finish this up. Let me play some nice songs for you to chill and watch it to the end. What I mean. Bye.